If you're an investor, this news could shake your portfolio. Let's dive into the Adani Group's latest scandal. The Adani Group, a major Indian conglomerate, is reeling from a seismic shock. Allegations of bribery and stock manipulation have surfaced, initiated by a US-based short-selling firm. The accusations, paying $265 million in bribes to secure power supply contracts. These bombshell claims have led to a massive $12 billion loss in market value, with Adani Enterprises losing over half its value in a single day. The Indian business community is in turmoil and regulatory bodies are launching investigations. Adani Group has fiercely denied the allegations, calling them baseless and malicious, and plans to pursue all legal avenues. But the damage is done. Investor confidence is shaken, and the relationship between Adani and the Indian government is under intense scrutiny. As the story unfolds, one thing is clear: the financial and reputational costs are immense. Will Adani Group bounce back, or is this the beginning of a longer battle? Stay tuned for more updates.